Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Have a tune-up report today. I was on the DX-98VHP. This is for Rylie in New Mexico. Okay, Rylie asked for a switch in the back for the amplifier. So I've got that turned off right now, the AM all the way down, and of course we're in AM. So take a look at this watt meter here. It's got 10 watts on the top. Okay. Barely bumps it off, maybe a quarter watt there all the way down. And if I turn the power all the way up, we get about 2.5 watts. Peak power on the 50 watt slug. Audio, check, audio. About 18 there. Take it over to sideband. Let me turn the volume down. Take it over to sideband, check, audio. About 13 there. Doesn't take much to drive the internal amplifier. Okay, so now switch in the back, click, take this 50 and make it a 500. Alright, and we're going to leave that in 10 watt scale for right now. Turn the power on the radio all the way down, put it on the AM, okay. Power all the way down. About 5.5, move the rule on me. Okay, now power all the way up. I'm going to move this to 100 watts right here, scale, on the top. 60. That didn't move. Peak power, my 500 slide, that's 200 right there. Peak power AM, audio. Check, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, about 270, and then on sideband. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 210 or so. All right. So there's AM sideband, high power, low power. That's it. Just pop it on the air real quick. Hey, breaker 19 for radio check. Alright, I hear you now. There's a lot of noise out there. Got 9 pounds on my radio. Thanks for coming back to me. Y'all have a fine day. Screwdriver, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're back out. No answer.